kuhakikishia wakulima wetu ya kwamba ile ahadi tulitoa ya balance hiyo kama serikali tutatimiza.
And I wish to report that Kenya shillings 284 million was paid to farmers on 1st December 2021.
So you see, with this maintenance ikimalizika, we'll be back on track.
Nafasi hii yenye tumepata kwamba tuna maintenance, na waomba sana, let's do this maintenance as if we will never do another maintenance.
Hii kilimo cha miwa bado kinafanya kazi vizuri katika sehemu, sio tu nchi yetu, nchi tofauti tofauti. Na sababu ukiangalia Malaysia, hata nchi zingine vile wanafanya vyema, ndio sababu inabidi tuweke reforms katika sekta hii ya sukari. Na inawezekana katika sekta zingine, when one delivers, analipwa haki yake.
And I wish to report that Kenya shillings 284 million was paid to farmers on 1st December 2021 by the Food and Agriculture Authority. The balance of Kenya shillings 216 was earmarked for factory maintenance. Acquisition of spares from overseas and local suppliers has been going on, and now that the critical spares are on site, like the Union Secretary Branch has said, not all spares have come, but the critical ones are now on site. We have decided to stop the factory for out-of-crop maintenance. Already, AFA has paid out 118 million to suppliers, and our team of engineers, together with contracted experts, are overhauling the factory to undertake the repairs. There is another 47 million that has been committed on contracted jobs, and therefore the total amount committed is now hovering around 171 million.
If government is going to give us a little more support, tulipe wafanyikazi, basi hii factory itakuwa imerudi normal na mambo yetu itakuwa sawa. Wamunyinyi bill imekuja to re-establish the sugar board. That's the first thing it does, to re-establish the sugar board, to give sugarcane and sugar industry or sector a distinction. We need to have, reforms within the sugar sector.
As this is being done, we have noticed that some areas which we thought were in good condition have since given way, because we lost quite some time during the spare acquisition period, and therefore we have experienced that there are certain areas which might also need to be addressed. But all the same, what we had budgeted for is already coming, and we are determined to conclude those works. During the maintenance period, which is expected to take 2 months, we have also employed 647 casual workers from the local community, of which 343 are skilled. These are the masons, the welders, electricians, painters, carpenters, fabricators, among others.
Ile imebaki, sababu yote ilikuwa karibu milioni 700. Sasa ile tulileta tukabaki na karibu 450 milioni ya wakulima. Ile 500 tulileta milioni 284 million ndio ilienda kwa wakulima. 216 million ikaenda kwa mambo ya factory maintenance. Sababu ni kitu cha uchungu kabisa, wewe mkulima kufanya bidii, ulime miwa yako, ukate miwa yako, ulete kwa factory na usilipwe pesa zako. Hiyo ni jasho yako na hiyo ni haki yako. So hiyo ndio jambo ambalo limenileta hapa siku ya leo, kuhakikishia wakulima wetu ya kwamba ile ahadi tulitoa ya balance hiyo kama serikali tutatimiza.
Ndio Uhuru Kenyatta kwa muda mrefu tangu 2013 imekuwa ikisaidia mambo ya kuleta pesa kidogo ya kulipa mishahara na mambo ya wakulima.
We wish to thank our farmers for their continued support to deliver cane to the factory, and I wish to give them my assurance that with a fully maintained factory, we will offer better services. The same goes to our employees and suppliers who have worked with us through this tough journey. We acknowledge support of the national government through Honorable Peter Munya and yourself, and the county government of Bungoma through His Excellency Wycliffe Wangamati for your intervention, because without it, commissioning of this factory maintenance would have been a pipe dream.
So you see, with this maintenance, ikimalizika, we'll be back on track.
Nafasi hii yenye tumepata kwamba tuna maintenance, na waomba sana, let's do this maintenance as if we will never do another maintenance.